How much do you like your job right now, Cadesa?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah. She's like a 3. What up, YouTube fam? It's your girl, Chelsea from Chelsea As of Late here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we're all about thrifting, secondhand shopping, and having fun with our fashion. So if that's your jam, make sure you join the fam. Well, speaking of joining the fam, I recently discovered that about 50% of y'all who watch my videos aren't even subscribed to my channel, and I know that's an oversight. I know that was a mistake. I know that wasn't intentional. So I'm gonna let you guys take a little moment, go below and subscribe to my channel, y'all. We are having a year of consistency. Say that 3 times fast. We are having a year of content. We are having a year of sharing, and I am so excited to be posting here every single Thursday. We are starting off the year cleansing. I've chatted about this before on my Instagram, and here I am in this mode of just like cleaning, decluttering, getting rid of things. I moved into this apartment a year ago, and because the space is bigger than what I was used to, I got comfortable just like cluttering and kind of like storing and bringing and never flushing out as well, and cleaning out and continuing the cycle of things. And so now I'm in this apartment that's just cluttered. I don't know about y'all, but I can't work in a cluttered space. Even if I don't see the clutter, like I know it's, you know, in the attic, I know it's in the closets, and like it overwhelms me. So today we are cleaning. My assistant, Cadesa, who you guys will get to meet today, is coming over, and we're doing a massive declutter, mostly of the attic space. I've shown you guys this very quickly. I already did a first round of cleansing my closet, taking out things that don't bring me joy or that I feel like I've worn, and I was getting ready for a content day yesterday, and I realized a lot of things are still here that I don't really want in my space anymore, that have kind of outlived their cycle with me. So I think we're gonna do a round 2 today, and I'm actually gonna take you guys through this just to get like a space 360 again, in case you haven't seen my closet or you're new here. Let me show you my closet, and then we'll get into the actual decluttering and cleansing. Remember to subscribe to my channel right now. This is my closet. I had a content day yesterday, so these are the bags. But over here we have skirts and pants, basically bottoms, tops, so sweaters, and just like more like blousey tops. We're gonna do a round 2 today, but I'm pretty sure everything in here is good and solid. I never got lights installed 1 year later. I'm still working on that. These are our jackets and kind of like lightweight blazers, things like that. Bag wall over there, that should be in pretty good condition. This is where we have our coats. Before I had sweaters here, but I feel like I wasn't utilizing the space to its full potential. It's easier to just like get ready as I'm putting together an outfit. This is part of my winter wardrobe, so I just, you know, grab my coats. Here we have hats like beanies, berets, baseball caps, things like that. Here we have just like bigger hats that shouldn't be squished, but they kind of are. Back here we made this foldable wall again, just because my foldables used to be down here, but it was always a mess and hard to get to. So I moved it over here, and I bought these kind of dividers from Amazon. They're clear, but they kind of keep everything, you know, where they're supposed to be, and it's been a game changer for me, so I love that. Sweatshirts, sweaters, things like that down there. Honestly, I don't know how this, I'm not even gonna say it, but y'all can see the bend. This is my dresses and my robes, and the mirror. This is such a pretty mirror, honestly. I want to bring it downstairs, but I haven't decided if it's gonna be staying up here or going downstairs. Here we have makeup, my everyday brushes and lipsticks, everyday makeup, mirror obviously, and then my jewelry. That has pretty much stayed the same within the last year. Down here we have, you know, the rest of my makeup that I don't use every day. Makeup palettes and sunnies over there, belts over here, some bigger bags and totes over there, scarves, more bags, gloves, smaller scarves, and pañuelos. I don't know how you said it. Anyway, smaller scarves is what we're gonna call them. And yeah, so that is my closet. As you can see, we already went through a round 1. Here is the first bag that we took out. This is likely to be sold. Step 1 is going to be the attic, because that is the most problematic space at the moment, and the one that needs the most work, obviously. I'm waiting for Cadesa. She should be here any second, and then we're gonna get started. Yo, we were shooting content yesterday all day and we saw this little ass rat just like running across the floor. It was like a hunchback rat and it was just like
and like one
away.
of its legs was shorter than the rest. It was disturbing, honestly.
We just stared at it like making sure it went the other way because otherwise we were bolting. But anyway, hey! So this is Cabeza.
Hello.
Cade for short. Okay, I'm gonna ask you some questions. Some rapid fire questions about
I'm
yourself.
ready.
What is your blood type? No, I'm kidding.
I actually don't even know. I feel like I should know that. Do people know their blood type? Is that like common knowledge?
Yes.
I swear I have no idea.
You have to know your blood, girl.
I'm gonna have to call my doctor.
What if you're in an emergency? They're like, what's your blood type? They're like,
I
figure it out.
If I'm in an emergency where I need blood, like I probably wouldn't be conscious anyway. So I don't know. I mean, they're gonna have to just figure it out.
They're gonna have to get a little sample. So, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color, I actually have more than one. Purple and green. Purple and green are my top two.
Love it. Barney. Barney West.
Oh my god.
How old are you?
I'm 22. I'm turning 23 this year.
She's my little Gen Zer.
Yes.
Love it. What's your sign?
I'm a Taurus.
Cute. We don't know the rest, right?
Well, only other thing I know is that my rising is Pisces.
Period.
I don't really know there's like a whole chart.
I don't know what that means either, but somebody in the comments let us know. I am an Aquarius sun, Leo rising. Are we compatible? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, I feel like we are. I mean,
we're vibing.
You guys need to see us behind the scenes. Like, we literally just laugh the whole time. Like, it's actually impossible.
The rat was like hopping away. We were just dying laughing when we should have been like packing up our stuff and moving. Yes. We couldn't.
There was a lot going on in the subway yesterday.
There was a guy that just randomly threw the sandwich.
I think that was like his weapon of choice. I wasn't sure what was happening there.
Anyway, I'm doing this series called Subway Series where I'm just like showing outfits of the week, but they're just like 4 outfits I put together. And so we have to ride the subway back and forth and change in between. We're getting off of this one train and this man just like throws a sandwich. He was clearly like, nah, all the way there. This is how badly I've been conditioned by the city. I expected it to be like a full turd. I'm sorry. I thought it was gonna be like human feces or whatever. Like,
I would have cried.
And I was like happily surprised to see it was just a wrap sandwich. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Like, don't gotta clean my shoe.
Maybe he was like being courteous. Like, maybe he wanted to give us like a free sandwich.
He looked really angry
I don't know.
when he threw it, but we went through it, and today we're here to cleanse everything. Okay, last question.
Now that we've bounced around everywhere else.
What is your dream vacation destination?
Ooh, that's a good one. I want to say my dream destination would be Greece. Preferably Santorini.
So anyway, you guys will probably see Cabeza a lot more behind the scenes, helping me film, thrifting with me, basically doing life, sending off random sandwiches and wrap. More of that in 2023. Let's start cleaning. I already did a pre-cleanse like before the new year, and as I was getting ready yesterday for content, I realized there's still some things that I'm no longer vibing with. So we're gonna do kind of like a rapid fire, go through everything, try some things on. Let's start with tops. I feel like I've worn this a lot, and I like it, but I don't vibe with the sleeve length too much. Oh, another thing I'm trying to do is if I see too much of one thing, like I know for example I have a lot of like navy blazers, at least 2 to 3 gotta go. Like, we cannot keep 7 of the same piece. So okay, so for example, how many denim vests does a girl really need? We're gonna keep 2 only. Also, we took a lot of things to alterations this week. I realized there's some things that I forgot to take. So if anything needs alterations or for me to fix it, I'm just gonna put it to the side. We haven't decided yet on a selling strategy, but once we know, we'll let you guys know. Trying some things on like this, but don't love the fit. So in theory, she was cute, but you know, you gotta part ways. Okay, so we were just trying on this top. I like the color, I like the fit. It fits me well, it's a good color, but I never am excited to kind of like grab it and style it at the time of getting ready. And it reminded me of this TikTok that I saw that's basically, this girl was saying how you should think of pieces as either a challenge or a chore. Things that feel like a chore, time to part ways. If it's a challenge, if you're excited to style it, obviously keep. And this one feels kind of like a chore right now, so she's gonna be gone. All right, y'all, we did sweaters and I'm feeling really good with everything we got rid of. Not me thinking I was done cleaning my closet. There's all this.
Here.
But yeah, so we're gonna do tops next. Actually, before I forget, Cabeza, this is gonna be our thumbnail. Take shit seriously. Okay, we're doing tops. This had a lot of potential. I really loved it when I bought it as like a little shacket, but I think it's the colors. So I've noticed that I like pastels, but they don't always look great on my skin tone, especially when I'm like in my winter mode and I lost all my melanin. Yeah, they kind of wash me out, and that's why I don't like gravitate toward them. So while I love this grandma woman, I think it's time to pass her on to better life. Y'all, funny how I thought I was done cleansing my closet, and this is literally just this side. Doing well. We're doing great. We have 2 pounds to sell and the rest to donate, and now we're gonna go through bottoms and do the same. One thing I'm doing that I haven't done in the past is like anything I'm doubtful of, I'm trying it on and seeing in the mirror, and depending on how I feel about it, then we're making decisions. The closet has taken longer than expected, but honestly we're making really good progress. I'm being so brutal with cutting things out, getting rid of things, truly trying things on and seeing how they feel and how they fit, and if they don't feel or fit well, then so we are in jackets now, and these are the ones that I kind of want to try on and see the vibes. Yeah, whatever is not a hit is 100% a miss. So tell me why I put this on. Guys, I was like, my grandma would have loved that. And then she goes, yeah, I see this dress a lot in like period pieces. I'm like, cool.
You know, like Pride and Prejudice.
You know. Oh my god, I really do look like Alonia right here in this one shot. We're just talking about all my delusions when I'm thrifting, where I will literally convince myself that something's so iconic or cool, or like I have a special occasion for it, like the opera or Carnegie Hall. And then when it comes down to it, when those situations or occasions do arise, what do? I go back to thrift and I'm like, let me thrift something for this. So we are trying to cut back on those delusions in the year of 2023, or the delusion of thinking you can sell something and make it cool when like organically it's just not something you're gonna reach for in your closet. All right, fam, welcome back. This is day 2 of our major cleaning decluttering, starting off the year right. Extravaganza. We did the closet basically all day yesterday. We thought it would take less time than it actually did, but I'm really happy because it feels clean, it feels fresh. I tried almost every single piece on that I wasn't sure about, and I'm really happy with, we got rid of basically like 3 black bags worth of things. So quick little run through the space. Shoes stayed the same because that I did pre New Year's Eve. Jackets feels lighter. Bag wall. Tops was a big difference. This is how much space we have now. And sweaters too. Before I wasn't able to kind of like, you know, pull these through. It was very tight. We were brutal in our cutting and I'm really happy about that. It's time to tackle the attic. So I'm scared, but let's get in there. I'm gonna start bringing office things in here so we can make space in the hallway to bring things out. You feel confident about this?
I do.
That makes one of us. We're gonna get this, and we're gonna give ourselves a goal of 2 hours to really like get in there and cleanse. We're gonna be quick about our choices, and we're gonna be cutting.
Oh my god, it just keeps going on and on.
making progress though. It has to look crazy before it looks clean again.
True.
How much do you like your job right now, Cabeza?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah. She's like a 3.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.5.
We are in my attic and we are going through all these bins of things that I am intending to sell and have been wanting to sell for a hot minute now, but we're getting organized so that we can start selling this year and hopefully do more live selling, more in-person selling, etc., etc. So progress. So far, we are really just getting rid of shit. Y'all, we did it. My attic space is so organized. Like, you can walk through all of this before this is all a mess. Still some stuff to get through out here, but honestly, so happy with this progress. Now we just have to kind of put everything back here, like desk and such. Get rocking and rolling. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this crazy, kind of hectic, kind of all over the place vlog about cleansing our spaces. Honestly, it was so important to me to start the new year and kick off the new year with like knowing what are the things around me and not cluttered. I already feel so much better about the space. It feels light, it feels breezy, it feels manageable. So I'm excited to get to work now with selling, with creating, with life. So thank you so much for watching this. If you're new here, again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. New videos every Thursday, all about thrifting, secondhand shopping, and having fun with our fashion. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.